sweeties, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna do a Fashion Nova shopping haul, and Fashion Nova have loads of promotions, loads of things to just suck you in, and you want to buy something in there even though you know you have plenty of clothes, which no girl ever thinks like that, and they just want to buy everything on the website. Fashion Nova actually last year has been voted one of the most searched websites, search retailer on Google, beating Chanel, beating any other retailers. Can you imagine this online shop opened up less than 10 years ago, and it's actually beaten the house of Chanel by researching. All the ladies are obviously loving Fashion Nova. I've been hearing people wearing jeans on social media, people just promoting that Fashion Nova like it's second nature. People promoting Fashion Nova more than drinking water nowadays, and it's amazing how social media can actually influence on growing a brand like this. And I've actually got sucked in to buy something from here and actually see if it's worth it. Fashion Nova is just one of those websites that you look online, you get out, and then all that you hear, all the ads that you see on any other searches that you go on Facebook, you go on Instagram, they just bombard you with ads that you actually keep thinking about those clothes and wanting to go back and buy it. So I bought some things hoping to be a Fashion Nova babe, getting that lifestyle, all curvy. I think I'm curvy, but I don't think I'm curvy as the girls online are. They're just insane with the hips, with the waist, with the butt lift, with everything that they promote. Here in the UK we have ASOS, but we don't have anything as big as this. It's definitely an up-and-coming brand, and it has been for a while, but I think it's just hit the ultimate high, and I just wanted to buy something and just see how it is. And I just want to see if the quality is there. And because Prom is coming up, and I know that last year and a few years ago you loved my prom dresses that I bought online, and I just thought I'm gonna buy some from Fashion Nova this time and just see if it's worth it. On the website it was just full of clothes. It just felt like a bit like ASOS, and sometimes when there is so much product I get overwhelmed. Cannot go without putting something in your basket. It definitely worked on me. Delivery, I can only talk that I had to pay custom for one of the items. I don't know why, just one of the items. That I bought a red dress and I just had to pay customs for that one. I did get a discount for shipping, or for like 30% off, so that did bring their cost down, and then I had to pay customs, so I kind of paid the same amount. So I've only bought 3 dresses because I'm trying this new thing. I'm not gonna buy everything on the website because there's no need for that, because then I have to send it back. So I'm only gonna buy the 3 items that actually speak to me and grab my attention, so I can wear it and make a decision, because I don't want to give you the impression that I actually buy so much and actually keep it, because I don't. I just buy to show you, and most of it actually goes back. I personally can only see 3 items, and I'm good enough to make a decision if I want to buy at that shop again. I'm definitely not going to send any of them back, because I'm going to have to pay customs to send them, and they only give you a gift card for you to then to buy what you want and then to be sent to you, then you pay customs, and it's just a repeated cycle that I just don't want to get into. I buy 3 items, make sure that I really love them, and then I make a decision if I want to keep them or donate them or give them to somebody else, which I think this is a bit more reliable than buy loads and return them and then be sucked into buy more items that I don't need, but I just want to spend the gift card, because they don't give you the money back, which most companies do that now because they want to keep the money in the company, and you just buy, you don't get your money back just in case. So it works for some companies, for some companies don't. Just excited to see what this brand is all about. The packaging is pretty basic like any other retailer. I wish it had more like a box, but maybe I'm asking for too much. So let's open it together and discover Fashion Nova. Yeah, so it does have the label, and I did go an extra small because I've never had anything in this color. So it's like crochet. I have no occasion to wear this too. I do have a holiday coming up. I think I can wear it there, but there's no reason for me to buy a sequin dress this year. But I like that it's adjustable, so they did think about that. They're quite heavy, which I do like a dress to be heavy, and it's super flowy, which I love. Do you think this color would go with my hair? Okay. promotions everywhere, so they're really good at promoting things. Oh, that's if you want to send it back. So this is the first dress. I love that it's long, it's flowy, and this is what it really looks like. I just love the details. I know why people like Fashion Nova, I guess. It's very boobylicious and it's very waist cinching, so I love that. This is what the back looks like. So it's very nice and flattering. Ooh, did you see that leg action? I do like it, and I think it's beautiful for a summer holiday, and I think it's holding everything where it needs to, and it has a bit more sheer. You can definitely wear this somewhere to, I wouldn't say to a wedding because I think it's a bit too risque. You can see that. I don't know why they did this on the side when they could have done it in the middle, so when you walk you actually do have this opening and it looks nicer, but so you can see the crochet. I think it's quite beautiful how it's been done, and it's super flattering, comfortable, definitely. It's quite heavy. The chiffon is nice weight, so it's not like transparent, so I do like that. It's beautiful how it's finished. I'm not sure about the color, but then I wouldn't want to have a white one because I just feel like it's too summery. I think this is something different on a white background. It just super elegant, but with a nice tan it would look beautiful, and I do love it. Yes, Fashion Nova, you are hitting everything right, so I do like it. I'm pleasantly surprised. Oh, I do like that leg action. Let me see if I can get it again. A sequin one with the hem is not finished. It seems like I got a lot of strappy dresses and open back. Yeah, they're not finished with anything, so we usually have an overlock or something at these dresses, but nothing. So this is my next one. This is definitely more of a prom dress, but this is what it looks like, and this would be incredible in pictures. You would just definitely look like a superstar. It is a bit too low for me, like I would not show this much, but this is what the back looks like. I feel like it just explodes way too much than what I would really hope for, and I wish it was a bit tighter on the waist because it's definitely not the tightest dress, and I feel like this is a bit high for a dress like that if you are using it for prom or for any other occasion. Busy it gets at the bottom, so it looks like a mermaid. It just escalates up, and then here from far away it just looks like you have a bodysuit, and it's beautiful how it has a different pattern up and then a different pattern on the bottom. And these designs actually emphasize the hips. Not that any of us would have hips like the model on the website, but it's beautiful how it actually shows up. Very itchy. It's not one of the most comfortable dresses I've owned, but again, anything sequins would just not be the most comfortable, but it is nonetheless the most beautiful one. I think this is more like a prom edition than a bit more comfortable to wear this at somebody's wedding or any other occasion. I just wish it was a bit tighter on the waist. I think just the pattern is beautiful, so no matter what kind of dress you're gonna make, it's just gonna look beautiful, and it's just gonna draw attention more at the bottom because there's more sequins and it's dark, and then it just looks like it's a new dress, but it just has this beautiful embellishment in the dress. And this is the heaviest dress, and this is the red dress that I bought. You can see this beauty thing. Oh wow, it has straps like this. It has like a bow, so they do have this detail, so it doesn't roll down or rolled up, so it actually stops from the dress falling off. What do we think of this little number? I feel very like flamenco. I have a thing for red dresses, and whenever I see one I just have to try one on. I just have to just indulge in this obsession of mine with red dresses, and I love how this one is as well. It really is quite simple, but it's quite feminine because it has the bow here, and it's quite elegant because it shows your décolleté. It has this tie, but I think it doesn't really need it. I think it's just something that they just added more because they were thinking, oh, this dress is too plain, but I don't think it needs it. What do you think? Like, this is enough for what it is. I think this is a beautiful dress the way it is. It's quite warm, it's out of jersey, but it just fits everything in a nice way and it just snuggles you, which I love tight dresses. I feel like this is my little vavavoom. And these ones, on one side it actually goes higher, so you can see it's not symmetric, but it's quite nice because you can show your shoe if you have nice shoes on. But it just makes me feel like I wanna, not that I know how to salsa or do any of those. Can't really, you're quite constricted with your arms, but you're not going to be doing all sorts of things, so you're really going to be constricted and be like, Fashion Nova, you are doing something very well with your dresses. I don't know about any other clothes, but dresses you're doing well, and this would be another lovely number for prom or for any other occasion. Again, if you can just put a brooch here, and that would be quite the center of attention. And it actually has adjustable straps, which it's a bonus because you can either put it up, put it down, it depends on your preferences, or you can take it down at all. So that's beautiful. I absolutely love it. Fashion Nova, I want to be a fashion babe just to wear your clothes. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of me doing these websites or trying other brands, then leave me a comment down below what other brands you would like me to try, and leave me a comment down below if you want to see anything else from me. Do put your notification button on to always be notified when I post. From me to you,